Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Waze and entering the destination. This primes the route engine. Once done, tap directions to reveal the route options, then choose the menu icon to change start. You can type another address, paste coordinates, or pick from saved places. Each option tells Waze where you depart rather than using your phone GPS. Make sure to pick the correct location type, home, work, or a custom address, because Waze uses that point to calculate time and traffic. Once you select Set Start Point, type the other location or paste coordinates if you have them. This is faster and avoids GPS drift. Then, drag the map pin to fine-tune the exact coordinate. This matters for complex intersections and parking lot exits. After confirming the start, Waze recalculates routes and shows alternate options with ETA. You should compare routes by time, distance, and tolls. Pick one, because your selection becomes the active navigation plan and updates traffic aware. Tap Go to launch navigation from the selected start point. Waze will simulate a route from that location, even if you're physically elsewhere. If Waze reverts to your current GPS, make sure location services are set to allow only while using the app, or temporarily toggle GPS off to force the chosen start. If routes fail to update or crash, restart the app, clear its cache, or re-enter the start address. Doing so forces a fresh route calculation and resolves most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.